Velarde map. Siya po yung first scientific map ng Philippines. So, kailangan po natin alamin yon para alam din natin kung saan po tayo magaling. And also, sa mga di rin po nakakaalam, recently lang po, dineclare po yung map natin, which is yung Murillo Velarde map, na National Treasure. So, parang pakatawa natin.
At hindi lang to basta nagtatapos doon kasi nagsimula noong 2025 sa Round Music Festival in Malaysia. Bago kami lumipad doon, guys, merong isang sobrang importanteng tao na sumuporta sa amin para makapunta kami doon. And that person is none other than the owner of that map. Kinuha niya yung map and in-acquire niya, niligtas niya doon sa may Europe banda, ata. Sa may Europe banda. And he gave it back to our country. And nung papunta kami sa Malaysia, ginawad niya sa amin as official bearers of the map. So sobrang honored kami na lumipad kami. And kung saan man kami pupunta mula ngayon, local or kung saan man, bearers na kami ng National Treasure. So without further ado, we'd love to invite that person up on virtual, Sir Mel Velarde, together with his beloved family.
Recognize 6 of the best of our kabataang bayaning Pilipino. Ako po si Mel Velarde at ang aking anak na 5-year-old. Number 1 fan ng first one. Hey Victor, say hi. Victor Velarde! We have a job to do and I need your help because we have to give recognition to 6 of the best of the Filipino youth today. Siguro sasabihin nyo, well, they're just singers. Well, they're just performers. No. It is time to give them an award. The Murillo Velarde map is now a national cultural treasure. 300 years ago, ginawa itong mapa na to. Nawala sa Pilipinas, napunta sa Inglaterra, doon sa tinatawag na Annick Castle na ginamit sa Harry Potter movie, the Hogwarts School of Wizardry and Witchcraft. At yan po ay nabili ng ating pamilya sa Duke of Northumberland. At yan ang inabot ng first sa Ambassador of the Philippines to Singapore. At simula ngayon, saan man sila pupunta, sila ang pinagmamalaki ng sambayanang Pilipino. And tonight, this map is still alive. In music, in movement, isa-isa natin silang bibigyan ng award. The first award goes to Ace. From Leyte! Nagmamalaki ng Leyte si Ace, where our heroes landed and hope began again. Ace, you are the courage main sound. The next award to Max. Pride of Aklan, mga kaibigan. Boracay, land of color, carnival, and electric rhythm. This award goes to Max. The third, taga Ilocos Norte. Nasaan si Joker? Joker! Joker! You bring the North's power to Equino. This award goes to you. Next, the pride of Bulacan. Si Jay! Hey! Your rhythm fights like a revolution. This award goes to you. The next, from Malolos, Alpha! The cradle of the first Philippine Republic. Your leadership flows in your blood and your voice. The next award goes we will.
Sabi sa inyo, marami kami request today.
Ganan, bibigyan natin sila ng we will bestow upon them the powers of our nation. Just say later, may the powers be with you. In a count of 3, okay? Yes, tonight we hand you the Murillo Velarde 1734 map, a symbol of who we are and where we rise. I now bestow upon you the title, Guardians of the Soul of the Nation. Raise your hand and say, may powers be with you. 1, 2,